started our syllabus related to number systems and logic gates. In logic gates, we have covered up till now the basic logic gates such as AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, then universal logic gates, such as NAND gate and NOR gate. In today's lecture, we are going to see two more gates, and these are firstly exclusive OR gate or XOR gate and exclusive NOR gate, that is XNOR gate. XOR gate or XNOR gate. So let's start our lecture by understanding what is exclusive OR gate or XOR gate. So XOR gate is widely used in digital system. So symbol of exclusive OR gate is similar to OR gate because it is a OR gate, and here its symbol is represented in this way. And output of, suppose there are two inputs A and B, then output of exclusive OR gate is given by A plus B, but here in order to show its exclusive operation we are putting a circle around the plus sign. So circle around the plus sign is going to represent our XOR gate. So this is the representation of XOR gate. Here two inputs are given A and B, and the output is shown by addition of A and B, and we have encircled the addition. It means that it is not a OR gate and not a NAND gate, not a NOR gate, but it is a different type of gate and which is called as exclusive OR gate. So let's see the truth table for the same. So in truth table we will have inputs, inputs, and we will have outputs. So even though it is a XOR gate, it is not a OR gate or a NOR gate. It is a different gate, that is exclusive OR gate. Inputs we have considered as A and B, and just now I have told you that its output is nothing but the A plus B, and you have to encircle this positive sign in order to represent the XOR operation. So I have taken the A value as 0011 and B value as 0101. So now we have to find out the values of A encircle B. A encircle B. So here the output of exclusive OR gate will be at logical 1, here it will be 0, here it will be 0. So what is the conclusion from this truth table of XOR gate? Truth table of XOR gate, the output value will be for 0 0 A and B value, output will be 0. For value of A and B as 0 and 1, output will be 1. For A and B as 1 and 0, output will be 1. And when both the inputs are at high, the output will be at 0. So what one can conclude from the truth table of XOR gate? The output of the XOR gate will be at logical 0 when either of its inputs but not both. What is conclusion? When either of its inputs but not the both are at logic 1 or high state. So I will write here the conclusion. Output of XOR gate will be at logic high or logic 1 when either of either but not both, either but not both the inputs are at logic high or logic 1. This is the conclusion related to XOR gate. So in today's lecture up till now we have covered exclusive OR gate. It is written as XOR gate. This is the symbol for XOR gate. A and B are the two inputs and this notation is used to represent it. Output is represented by A plus B and the plus sign is encircled to represent XOR operation. Then this is the truth table. We have taken the various values as inputs A and B and corresponding outputs are summarized here. So output of the XOR gate will be at logic 1 or high when either of the inputs but not both. So either of the inputs but not both. If both of the inputs are at logic 1, then output is going to be a 0. So and both the inputs are logic 0, then output is going to a 0. So in order to have a high input, a high output, input should be selected such that either of the inputs should be at logic 1 but not both the inputs should be at logic high. This is the conclusion drawn from exclusive OR gate truth table. Students, now we have covered the point related to exclusive OR gate and now we are going to see what is exclusive NOR gate. Exclusive NOR gate is the inverse of exclusive OR gate. Means the output that we are going to get for NOR gate will be opposite to that of OR gate. So it is the inverse of OR gate. So we will have the representation of exclusive NOR gate as we know that we are representing OR gate with such a symbol, then exclusive OR gate with such type of symbol, and now we have to perform a inverse operation in case of exclusive NOR gate. So the symbol that we have used for exclusive OR gate, to that symbol we have added only a hollow circle here to represent a exclusive NOR operation. So here the two inputs A and B, and now output is given. We have for exclusive OR gate output we have represented as A plus B, and we have encircled this A plus B, and now just now we have seen that we have added here a NOT gate. So we have to inverse this function. So here we will add a complement. So this is the table, this is the symbol of exclusive NOR gate. Then we will have a truth table for it. It means that how we have generated this exclusive NOR gate. We have taken a exclusive OR gate, and to that gate we have added a NOT gate, and it has given me X NOR gate. So this is the simple understanding related to exclusive NOR gate. So we will move towards the truth table. X, it is represented as X NOR gate. So in order to draw a truth table, we will consider inputs and outputs. In case of inputs, we have considered A and B as inputs, and in case of output, we are OR gate. A plus B represents OR gate, then it should be a exclusive. So we have encircled it, and now it is a NOR. So we have taken a complement. So here we have selected A value as 0011 and B value as 0101. So now we will means we have taken A and B value as 00, then 01, then 10, and both high, that is 11, and we will calculate the respective outputs. We know that in case of exclusive OR gate we have obtained here 1100. This is related to exclusive OR gate. Now we have this, here I will write, so you will remember that thing. This is the rough work. What we are going to do now, we have to invert the output of exclusive OR gate. So one should know the what is the output of exclusive OR gate. Exclusive OR gate output was such, was like this, that is 0100. That is the output of exclusive OR gate will be at logic 1 if either of or but not both of its input at logic high. So here we have to invert it, complement of this. So 0 complement is 1, 1 complement is 0, 1 complement is 0, 0 complement is 1. So this was the rough work, and we have obtained the truth table for exclusive NOR gate as output as 1001. Then what one can conclude? The output of exclusive NOR gate will be low. What is the conclusion? Output of exclusive NOR gate will be low when either of but not both of its input are at logic high. It means that if both of its input are logic 1, then output will not be a 0. If both of its inputs are at 0, then output will not be a 0. So output of X or NOR gate will be 0 if either of or but not both of its input are at logic high or logic 0. Thus in today's lecture we have seen the gates such as exclusive OR gate, their symbol and truth table, and the conclusion drawn from the truth table, then exclusive NOR gate, then its symbol and its truth table, and the conclusion drawn from its truth table. Thank you.